You asked and I listened. So, hi, sweeties. To anyone new here, hello. I am Angel, a former Google ASDI intern. So, in my last video, one of you commented asking for a roadmap for earlier career opportunities. So, I spent the last few days building a master nation tracker for internships, scholarships, and fellowships. From Google to Microsoft to Adobe, this sheet covers the big ones and the hidden gems. I have laid it out all for you with specific columns with application status, deadlines, priority levels, and even stipend details so you can stay perfectly organized. And also, I've updated with the fresh 2 or 6 dates wherever I could source them. But a quick heads up that the tech world moves fast. I have added some brand new programs, but a few older ones might have shifted their dates or closed recently. So think of this as your compass, but always hit the official site to confirm the latest details. And I really want this to reach the students who are ready to take that next big step. So to get the link, just show me your excitement, hit the like, and just comment down your dream company. I'd love to know what you're aiming for and find it in the pinned comments. Don't worry, guys. Also, I'm excited to start showing up here every week with more tips for you. So make sure to subscribe and join the family. And yes, thank you for letting me be a small part of your journey. Remember, I'm rooting for every single one of you at every step. So yes, take care of yourselves, stay curious, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.